All right, folks, I'm back. I'm back with another beautiful, gorgeous 2012 Dodge Charger PPV 5.7 HEMI. This is going to be a two-wheel drive with 141,000 miles. Original, what it appears to be like a dark green / gray in color. I'm going to go with green, folks. But yes, she does look like a charcoal gray, but she is not. Original green in color, dark green in color. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Folks, she is in immaculate running condition, and you're gonna want to stay tuned for this one, folks. Here we go. I do have fresh window tint. That's gonna be a medium shade all around. You can see right through. It does give the car like the perfect color combination to go with it. Okay, folks, as you can see, I do have two antennas on one in the roof and one in the trunk lid. Yes, the vehicle did come with a two holes, so I went ahead and put two antennas on there. A lot cheaper than having it painted. By the looks of it, folks, this had to be a unmarked undercover vehicle. Once again, she is in immaculate running condition, fully serviced, and she does run very well. She's super strong and very tight. Folks, if you take a look at the rear bumper, I do have scuff marks, paint chipping, possibly from the police decals. Alright, so they are there. You can clearly see them right here and some over there. Okay. So I do have paint chips on the rear bumper. I couldn't see no door dings on the paint. The paint does have very minimal amount of scratches. My detail crew did an outstanding job taking everything off. And here she is. This is the outcome of it. Folks, everything works. I did invest a decent amount of money cleaning this vehicle up and bringing her up to date, up to speed on how I wanted her to feel and drive. I do have one working spotlight. I do have clear lights and lessons in the front. Vehicle does have a go right push bar. And also, before I forget, when I first purchased the vehicle did arrive with the full wheel covers. And as you can see, I gave the car the dog dish look, so it does look very aggressive going down the road. New lug nuts, and I do have a good set of used dog dishes to go with it. Folks, also just so you know, I do have some paint peel right there, right around where the antenna is. It doesn't affect the vehicle in any kind of way, shape, or form, but it is there. Okay, apparently when the old antenna was removed, they peeled it out with it. They are solid, so both antennas are solid. They're not going anywhere, so if you need to drive the car through an express car wash, you shouldn't have no problem at all whatsoever. All right, let's continue. Let's go inside because I do have a lot of ground to cover on this particular unit, and I want to make sure you know everything there is to know about it. All right, folks, if we go inside, we do have a matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor with 4 OEM floor mats. That's what the car came with. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car, so we got that out of the way. Thankfully, I didn't have to do anything back here. A little bit tear and wear here in the armrest. I ordered a new one on eBay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken care of and replace this one and give you guys a new one. Driver's side seat. I did have the driver's side seat reupholstered, refoamed. I got a new inner seatbelt buckle. The one that the car came with was broken. Floor mats by Dodge in perfect shape. I do have a good use center console that I managed to buy at an auction. At a pick your parts through eBay. Cost me $300. They send it out, and I put it in this vehicle. When I first got the car, there was nothing in between the seats, so now you have an armrest, cigarette lighter, auxiliary connection, and whatever you need. Mosquitoes never fails. Okay, let's get inside of the car here. There you go. Floor mats. I mean, whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an outstanding job taking care of it. Yes, she does have 141,000 miles, but she drives like new. All right, let's go ahead and fire her up. Where are the keys? Sorry about that, folks. Sorry. Let me clean this up here real quick. I do have, oh, once again. All right, there we go. I do have 3 key fobs. 3 key fobs came with this car. Push start. Fires right up. No hesitation whatsoever. Pressure lights are off. Let me clean this up here for you guys. 141,000 miles. Stereo does work. Everything is touchscreen. You can control it from here as well as the air conditioner. Folks that do not own the rights to the song, courtesy lights do work when you open the doors. Sunglasses holder right there. White LED, red LED does work. Honk does work. Unity spotlight bulb does work. That's what the car came with. Air conditioner is nice and cold. All the speakers inside the car works, and once again, it's a very strong, quiet ride, folks. Before I forget, door hinges. Let me clean this up. Door hinges was replaced. The bottom one was replaced. That's the only one that was bad. Top one remained the same. No issues. Let me step it up here, folks. This is the trunk. Decent size trunk, not bad at all. I do have a donut spare tire floor jack in the trunk. Battery appears to have been replaced already, so that's a new battery there. Okay, let's go ahead and shut this down. Let me go to the back again. Sorry, folks, got to show you the LEDs. I know I'm going back and forth. Tail lights do work. Everything does work. We are solid here in this department. Folks, before I forget, I gotta tell you, I do have a brand new set of Goodyear RSA Eagles that I've got for this particular unit. These are takeoffs, you know, so they're just good as new. DOT was 2019 on this particular tires, so all 4 tires are new takeoffs. Oh, losing control here, folks. I'm too excited here. I'm forgetting my steps. Look at the paint, folks. The paint looks very sharp and it is very shiny. Steel wheels looking just about in new conditions. Once again, this is what the car came with. I just had my detail crew clean it up. Clear lights. Let's go ahead and step it up here. Right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. I do have 16 Mopar irradiant spark plugs, 520 full synthetic oil service. Transmission was serviced. I did use Mopar ATF4 full synthetic. That's all you want to use on this 722.6 transmission. Battery is new. I do have a brand new cabin filter as well. Water pump appears to have already been replaced by the department, so I went ahead and left that alone. Dry belt looks fine. Air conditioner was recharged here on my end. It was blowing cold, but not that cold when the vehicle arrived, so I had that taken care of. So I do have nice and cold air now blowing into the cabin of the vehicle. Folks, I do have brand new front and rear brakes and rotors that were put into this particular vehicle. All right, smog sticker in place, Freon sticker in place. Okay, once again, folks, brand new front and rear brakes and rotors. Folks, I know you can get a car cheaper out there, but let me tell you, it's not going to be in this condition. I do go above and beyond getting these cars ready for you guys and make sure they are roadworthy and they are completely safe for you and your family to drive. This is exactly why I spend so much money in these vehicles. Also, before I forget, suspension part. I do have brand new passenger driver side lower control arms. I do have brand new sway bar linkages, passenger side and driver side. And I do have brand new link bars, passenger side and driver side. So folks, the whole suspension on the front was redone. And yes, the vehicle did have brand new, I believe, KYB shocks and strut kit assembly that were already installed by the department on the front. I went ahead and cleaned out the rest. Now, with that being said, with the tires and all the suspension parts replaced on the bottom, yes, folks, I did have the car realigned and she drives straight. This is how I do it, folks. I'm sorry, I'm not cutting any corners, and if I do got to spend an extra $500 or $1,000 into my vehicles, rest assured that it is going to get done. All right, folks, this is one last final look. Once again, this is going to be a 2012 Dodge Charger PPV 5.7 HEMI two-wheel drive, former unmarked unit with 141,000 miles. Alright folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed week out there and please be safe. Thank you, God bless, and take care.